Hello! In this video, you will learn about research on Safari. Open a website on Safari. Tap on the icon on the left of the URL field. Select Show Reader View. This will remove on-screen distractions. Explore the other options. Try changing the background color, font size, and font type. Let's explore Speak Selection. Open Settings, Accessibility, Spoken Content, and turn on Speak Selection. Go back to Safari. Tap and hold any word in the article. Select Lookup to get the meaning of the word. Select Speak to have the word spoken out.
Babylonians.